It's beautiful. It's good. Good architecture. I like it. It's the bird's nest. It's called the bird's nest, and I think it fits. The right name for it.
As the main venue of the 2008 Beijing Olympic Games, the National Stadium has been the focus of international attention ever since construction began in 2003, and it took just 3 years to complete. In March 2002, China launched an international tender for designs for its new national stadium. Eventually, a specialist appraisal committee chose the bird's nest design, submitted jointly by the architects Herzog and partner ARUP Engineering Consultants and the China Architecture Design and Research Group.
In the past, most of the stadiums were built only by engineers to make it purely functional, technical building. And we believe that the Olympic Stadium should be more architectural, cultural, public, social.
Thomas Herzog is a famous Swedish architect. With his partner Pierre de Meuron, he won the 2001 Pritzker Award, the most prestigious prize for architects in the world, and the bird's nest design was their latest collaboration.
So it involves other criteria, also aesthetic criteria. For that reason, it needs to have a specific shape, and we were very much inspired by, you called it bird's nest. You could also think of a vase, of an object that is done to collect people, to be a collective form. That was the reason for this very special shape.
The stadium's novel design presented its builders with numerous challenges. Never before had anyone attempted such a complex structure as an imitation of a bird's nest.